Login failed on thinkorswim mobile fix. You're ready to check charts or make a move on thinkorswim, but instead you're stopped cold by a login failed error. Most traders assume it's a password issue, but that's rarely the case. Here's how to fix it fast. First, check your network. thinkorswim needs a secure connection to pull real-time data and verify your credentials. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggling airplane mode off and on to reset your signal. Next, make sure your app is fully updated. thinkorswim is regularly updated by Trade, and older versions can conflict with newer authentication systems. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search thinkorswim, and tap Update. If you still can't log in, manually re-enter your credentials. Autofill or saved passwords can sometimes store outdated info. Type your username and password carefully, and if needed, reset your password using the Forgot Password option. Then, clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, select Apps, tap thinkorswim, and choose Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. It clears temporary data automatically. Another common issue is using a VPN or proxy. Because thinkorswim relies on location and app verification for security, VPNs can trigger lock-in blocks. Turn off your VPN temporarily and try again. If none of this works, it might be a server-side issue. During high market volatility or maintenance windows, the thinkorswim servers can become temporarily overloaded. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, then retry your login. So next time your thinkorswim app says login failed, remember most of the time, it's not you. Check your connection, update the app, clear the cache, re-enter your credentials, and turn off your VPN. With these steps, you'll be charting, trading, and analyzing in minutes.